Ka jingelang ka kenhun menteri ka balalong menta ka sngi tho dieng kala shem ya karai ban Pyrkhing ha ka bayadai bat ka jingleit bari da ki he sorkar ka jylla khnang ban penduna ya ka jingsyak ta ka pla tingka ka sorkar. Na kaliang unong ai ktien ka sorkar uba pol lingdo ulaong balada ki ju ki he officer ki let ban yashim benta ha kinu ki jingyalang ki balong shabar jong kari ha kasien ka baar ki hap ban pha shwa ya ka progress report jong ka jingyalang ka baladap hashwa bat hadian balayo ya ka jingmenjer ken sala ban let yashim benta ha ka jingyalang ka babut. Ula pentip ru ba ka sorkar kala shimru ya karai bana kaliang ka sorkar kala ban bei tingka tang na ka benta ka jinglet yashim benta ha ka kala ka baningkong. Henry ha ka jinglet yashim benta ka babut ya ki jinglet jingsap de ban bei tingka da ka sorkar pedeng ni da ki kenhuan ki ba khot pelang ya ki jingyalang. Na lor kata ula ong ru ba ka ei ka bakin hap ban pedang kalong batang lada kita ki he sorkar ki pelong ya ka jinglet bari na ka benta ban yo pedang e kinu ki khusnam ki badai na ka benta ka sorkar Meghalaya. Ha ka bayadai bat ki dekhot ka kenhuan menteri ula ong ba ka dai ban yo ya ka jingmenjur lingba ka Minister of External Affairs bat kumbala pensyai hakini ki kendiat tayo balala ke MEA kala Pyrkhing bha ha ka bayadai bat ki kendon ha ka bayadai bat kum kini ki jinglet jurep bat kani ka kenthup ru wat ya menteri rangba ka jylla.
But the whole point is that there have been umpteen requests and visits undertaken by several such officials which only needed the clearance of the Chief Minister. But today, in order to, as a prudent fiscal measure, the cabinet decided to rationalize such visits, reduce their frequency to 2, and also obtain progress reports so that there is no wasteful expenditure of the public exchequer. In the case of cabinet ministers, as you are aware, this is tied to clearance by the MEA, and recently, as I briefed you a couple of weeks back, the MEA has come up with very stringent conditions for even clearing such proposals of visits. So this includes even the Chief Minister. They will come under this particular decision. That will be one official for one visit based on submission of a satisfactory progress report. Of the frequency of visits seemed irrational, that we decided to rationalize it.
And how many such cases, more or less?
We can only say that the frequency does not match with the results, so we decided to rationalize it. In certain cases, reports have been submitted. In certain cases, there's no such reports were made, or maybe the reports were not satisfactory, because we are driven by the need to achieve results. So what we're saying today is that official, that minister has to show results when undertaking an official visit.